Guys, I do not want to say about Jesus, about hatred over with Jesus. Carlo Orencia, with all due respect, make a public apology. You know, unlike you, when you say about against Jesus, or Kuya Bear is asking me, when you make good things that really happen is, make a public apology to Jesus. Oh, like me, when I attack the church, when I attacked the Santa Maria de Estrada, when I apologized to Ma'am Stella at the time, I received the public apology letter. Carlo Orencia, you need to stop making rage. You know, unlike you, when Jardino was there, pag nandun si Jared, like I said, it's really hurt when you hurt their feelings. Oh, like me, I've been talk with Jerick Silva in TikTok Live. I talk with Shania Kiana in TikTok Live also. It's just like a Zoom meeting. Oh, we always do that in Zoom, even TikTok Live. But me, I never use Messenger. I always message Jaredino in chat. Everything is gonna be fine. Oh, we need to learn a lesson. Who you loved before, Carlo Orencia? Let's say, Jesus. If I were you, Carlo Orencia, make a public apology to Jesus. Luis Cabales is asking me, pinako po si Jesus sa cross like he was been crucified. Oh, pinalo, like I said. You remember I mentioned that from Mark Domingo Cruz? Pinalo si Jesus at ipinako sa krus. Oh, that's what you heard the words. Carlo, Miguel Orencia, Jesus is always taking care of you. Have you never known that Jesus was crucified? Jesus is a Palestinian Christian. When you're saying about those words are negatives at him, do you want to be like happened to the Israeli soldier who destroyed Jesus? That's unbelievable. Me, as I am Jewish Orthodox and Jerick Silva is a Catholic Orthodox, we love Jesus. Unlike Kuya Bear, he loves Jesus too. Oh, he always go to the church someday with Ate Cheryl. Oh, if I were you, Carlo Orencia, you need to watch 700 Club Asia. It's a better for you to watch a Catholics like Christianities or something. It's learning how to you to be good deeds. Oh, learn about how were you good deeds is. Do you remember what was Joyce Titular said? If you bash Jesus, that is your consequence. If you say you force me to kill Jesus, Carlo Orencia, who will you say you force me to kill? Oh, we are not very time in romance. Oh, let me get this straight, Carlo Orencia. If I talk with Christian Mingito, you need to learn your lesson. Oh, you need to learn your lesson. I'm just saying before, I'll never be friends with Paula. Paula Nunez, I've been cut ties with her. I always choose my friend is Jens Manaid. And also Lawrence Villawan. Oh, Lawrence Villawan, he always go to church. Lagi nagsisimba yan si Lawrence. He always go to church. About Wawel Romero, she goes also to the church. Me, I never go to the church. Me and Jens Manaid, we just stay at the house. We never go to the church. Unlike you, Carlo Orencia, when you go to the church in Holy Week, ano pinagsasabi mo kay Jesus? Like, what you're saying is nonsense, and you're saying about you're going to kill Jesus and you're forcing me to kill Jesus. It's really nonsense. You know, if I were you, Carlo Orencia, as you're my former friend, you need to listen to your friends too. Oh, I just want to remove your satanic, demonic, evil spirit. Like what you are saying, you're being act yourself. You're antichrist. Oh, don't be such a antichrist, Carlo Orencia. Me, at the time, I was an antichrist too. Oh, I criticized the Catholic Church when I heard Miguel Labitag when he was a kid. When I lash out the church, I attack the church. Oh, I attack the Santa Maria de Estrada. This is my fault that I made the fake account of Larry Chuanico. When I talked to Franco Morales, I said, oh, I will never do that again. I have to be good person. And you, Carlo, you have to be a good person. Magpakabait ka, like I said, you need to be good. When I was told by Teacher Kel, oh, you have to learn how to be good person. Oh, you do not be act like yourself stupidity. Just like I said before. Oh, you need to apologize to Jesus. Write the letter to the Santa Maria de Estrada, Ma'am Stella, or Ma Victoria G. Puno, that was a friend of Kuya J and Ate Isa. Make a public apology. Don't be such like Tatay Arnold. Like, Tatay Arnold is always manipulative. Oh, I know, he's really in the Bicol. He divorced sa Nanay Net. Oh, do you want to be happen to Tatay Arnold, Carlo Orencia? Oh. And he left to their house in Quezon City. They never returned, and Tatay Arnold never returned in the house because of his what he has done to Nanay Net and making a blackmailing and shooting a air gun. You want to be happen to yourself, Carlo? You know, Carlo, Miguel Orencia, Jesus is always love us. You know, I was told by Ate Mirsol when I heard that from the church. Oh, Ate Mirsol is a Catholic. You should love Jesus as well. Don't bash him, don't kill him. Oh, me, I never say I judge Jesus. Like you. When you say about you kill Jesus, is this a right thing to kill Jesus? Is this a right thing to say nonsense when you talk about prop from prompting to the our Father in faith and the Lord of the heaven? I'm just gonna say to everyone, to Carlo Orencia, you need to more think what you are doing. You know, everyone are saying you love Jesus. Yeah, like I said before, ano bang problema mo kay Jesus? Like I said to you, Carlo Orencia, you want to be like Pura Luca Vega. Make a public apology to Jesus. You know, Shania Kiana asked me, nagiwalay na kami ni Carlo Orencia sa messenger. O, like I said, did you unfriend Carlo Orencia? Binalak mo ba yan? Like I said, you know, for me, don't be such a fool. Carlo Orencia, don't be like Dan Mardayaw. Don't be like Tatay Arnold. You know, when the time you're going to college, that will be a karma for you. Look at Paulo Siaco. He doesn't say about against Jesus. Paulo Siaco, he always go to the church in Canada. When he pray to Jesus, during Holy Week, during Easter Sunday, during in the Simbang Gabi, in the Filipino style traditional when celebrating Christmas in Canada, alongside with Tatay Delpin and Kuya Dong. They always go to church. How about you, Carlo Orencia? When you go to church in Quezon City, you should not harass you should not say Jesus is so bad. Jesus is always good to us. You do not know what you're talking about. When you hurt Jesus, when I was told by Mr. Dennis Gill, the father of David, there will be a karma. Is this what you like, to criticize Jesus? Carlo Orencia, is this a right thing? To disrespect the faith, to disrespect the religion. Being as a good person, being as a morality, to show what we are. And you know that, Carlo Orencia, make a public apology. You know that. I'm just saying before, I never go to church. Nanay Net and Roylan Marlang goes to the Quiapo Church. They always go to church dahil sila nagsisimba. You know, Carlo Orencia, make a public apology to Jesus. Because I know Nanay Net and Roylan Marlang, they are very angry at you because they said to you, why do you even criticize Jesus? It's not good. Carlo Orencia, that's a blasphemy. You do not know what blasphemy means. It's a sacredness.